FSWP series fine grinder is an efficient equipment. A PS impeller feeder is equipped to remove iron and stone inside materials under the effect of wind. The materials enter into the crushing chamber and contact the high-speed rotating hammer blade to coarse crushing by colliding with the tooth plate firstly. Under the effect of centrifugal force and wind force, the material enters into the acceleration area, collides again between the hammer, screen, and re-crushing chamber, gradually becomes fine and enters into the lower hopper through the screen. Quick opening movable door. Integral high precision motor. Small size screen. More convenient for maintenance.